You and I, we on this road again, and I know that you're ready for it.
It's been a while, but I know for certain, cause I know you and me can make it.
Hi babes, welcome back to a brand new weekly vlog. I just finished up on filming my videos, or I wanted to say 2 videos. I didn't really film 2 videos. I filmed the intro to my second video, so now I have 2 videos done for next week, and then I still have to film 1 video. Yeah, I still have to film 1 video, so I still have to do that. But let me get up and start cleaning up. It is almost time for me to go to bed. It really is, because it's like 1 something. Okay, so I still need to take a picture. Wait, let me see. I think I can make a little. Ta-da! Okay. I need to take a thumbnail picture for the makeup tutorial. The camera's still on. Give me a minute. It's 1:18. I want to be in bed by 2 o'clock in the morning. Let me just turn this off. Oops. I need to take some selfies. I'm actually really tired, but at the same time I'm really happy. Okay, finally calling it back. Hi. Okay, so we're in Primark. Tashana's with me.
Hi,
and they have Christmas decorations ready. Oh, and the confetti.
remember last year when we went to IKEA?
Yeah.
They had like a bunch of
Yeah, oh my god.
like in between the Christmas trees, just smelling all of them.
Because something is saying like in the vlog.
Session with Christmas is ridiculous.
Yeah, not normal. Oh, this is kind of cute, but a background.
Oh, I like the whole this.
7, yeah, no?
Tree barky.
But it's €7. Oh no.
Like hamburgers.
They are
Like who wants that on the tree?
hamburger lovers.
This is like cute.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. A cookie? It is getting on my last nerves. Oh yeah, okay.
Like what? Like what's the theme?
I don't know. The same, you know, po compra nada. Oh, that's color. I don't want colors. I want some white. Should I get lights? I mean, if I get lights, so just lights to put them up. Look at her face. Just some lights. See?
Action have those like small lights.
Okay.
Definitely cheaper.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, pero may napabayaruba ko ni.
Why not, girl?
I mean, where are all my stuff going to fit? Bibay kay koy.
Yeah, but if you only have a like makeup in your bag, like the last bag.
Yeah, but mikibay mas kupaya this time because I need to go with clothes. I know this thing. Okay, yeah. I want to do Winter Wonderland.
Like, I feel like this is stressing me out.
Kaba. Ante Halloween não nem passa ainda.
Force everybody to dress up in like a character under the thriller, like
Oh yeah.
when you say you don't have enough characters and enough like queen, you know.
But yeah. Okay, yeah. Nothing enough, yeah.
But I don't know what my team is. Last year it was like what was clinical like slaughterhouse thing?
I mean, because I know brainstorm.
No, but she wants to take that from
No, birth control at its finest. Just to remind us that we need to get this one day.
Oh yeah. Like soon, like next month.
Oh my gosh. And it smells so good. I might do peacock for my Christmas decorations. Look at how pretty. Look at this one. I really like it. For peacock.
Peacock vibe?
For like the Christmas decorations. So what is happening? Like it's so
These are pretty. I like it. I'm by
action.
I'm transferring my whole house into like a gray, white, and wooden vibe. So that's the vibe I go for. Wood, white, and gray.
Yeah.
He's actually going to kill me.
I mean, it's €8.
But I'm getting it. He's not going to be happy.
Retail therapy. You guys, my room is a mess. Like, I haven't properly been home in like 3 days. Is it 3 days? Yeah, I think it's 3 days. So like I slept at home. I slept at my house, right? And it was literally sleep, get up, brush my teeth, shower, eat, get dressed, leave, and then come back at like late at night. Now that it's like 9:15, let me come a little closer. I am actually gonna I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I want to go to sleep early. Yesterday I went to sleep at like 11:50 ish, and I woke up this morning at 6 o'clock with energy. I had to go to Schiphol, which is the airport, and I actually had energy up until like 10 o'clock. But my point is that I was actually able to get up. Like, I've been struggling with that for the last like 2 weeks. Like the last 2 weeks my life has just been a mess, like all over the place kind of mess, and I've been able to get up and just do my thing. And you know, I mean, I felt really great about myself. So tonight I want to be in bed by 11. And yeah, I need to be in bed by 11. I start really early tomorrow. So basically what I want to do is wait, let me think. So what I want to do is wake up around 7:30, so I have an hour to get ready to go to school. I want to show you guys everything I got at Primark. You guys like a mini Primark haul. So this is the first thing that I got. Oh, right here you can put like a bunch of things on it. I think I want to actually put it like this, and I want to hang it and just have like my goals and stuff on here. But I'm not sure if I like it because it's this slim, so I might just bring it back. I'm just not sure yet. I might bring it back and get another one that I saw, but I think I might actually like this because it's gray. My floor is gray. My bed, like I have my bed is black. A bunch of my things are black, so I think my vibe kind of in here, or at least the color scheme, is just really like gray tones. And I mean the table is gray and white. You know, there's a lot of gray going on in this room, so I think it'll be okay. And I like these little clips. I might get some other clips, like some gold ones, and also use gold clips. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I want to put like all my goals on here. I want to print them out and just use that as like little things, and maybe print out like just a couple of pictures. I actually really like this one. It says "You've got this," which I tell myself like all the time. So I really like this one. Never try, never know. I'm not gonna do that because that's kind of negative. I'm just gonna get rid of that one. I'm getting rid of this one. I'm getting rid of this one. And getting rid of that one. Actually, I'll write on the back. I'll write something down on the back, like a goal or something, or maybe a nice quote, maybe a Bible verse. Oh, I'm definitely doing some Bible verses. I like the marble, but what's the point of just having like a piece of marble, you know? So I might just get rid of that too. But I really like this one, so that one is staying. And then just put my goals on here, you know? Yeah, it's cute. So I also got a peppermint softening foot scrub. smooths and softens tough dry skin. So my feet at the moment are so dry, so I really want to yeah, I really want to use this and see if it's gonna work. And I got a lot of like foot things because I want to get my little like massaging foot bath kind of thing. So I got this for my feet, and then I also got this so I can like scrub my toes and stuff and my nails, make them all look clean and stuff, like a little nail brush. And then I got this for my acrylics, 50 cents. I couldn't even like let it go because I was in Tilburg a couple of days ago and they had this for the original price, which was €3. And I was like, oh, this is kind of cute and kind of handy when it comes to my acrylics. And then I was like, you know what, I use scissors and it's been working like that, or I just use my nail clipper and it's just super easy to use that. So why am I just gonna spend €3 just for this, you know? But now it's 50 cents, so I was like, oh, that's a steal, that's a sign, I have to get it. And then I also got a little nail cuticle shaper so I can shape my cuticles. And I also got this right here. This is a pedicure shaver to remove hard skin. It comes with like a blade and everything, which is actually kind of scary because I don't know how to use it, so I have to go look at like the description and stuff. I love that they sell things in Primark that are not expensive. That are not so expensive that like professionals use. Because now I'm going to turn into a professional, you know? Oh, you see? And then this is supposed to be like a blade or something. Wait, how does this work? Oh, I think that's a blade. Oh, I'm kind of scared. Wait. Oh, corn blade. Oh my gosh, I think it is. Okay, I'll figure out how to use this. It's actually kind of scary if you think about it. So I have to figure out how to use that before I cut myself. And then I also got some little bobby pins because your girl needed some bobby pins, girl. I really want to go back to like my ponytail. Oh, I want to do my ponytail so bad. So I think I might do that for like next week, Monday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that for Monday. Then I got some socks because I really needed socks. I also got this little hair headband. The reason why is because my hair always looks crazy when I just have it like natural. So if I don't want it to look too crazy and I just have to go to like the shop or something, I can just put this on and just like have it on my hair and not look too crazy. And I got this, right? This is a 30 LED warm light strip light, which is actually really cool if you think about it, because look at it. This is the package. Wait, don't focus on my face, focus on this. So do you guys see that? So basically you can put it wait, let me show you. You can put it anywhere that's flat. And then the last thing I got, this is not from Primark, but I really needed one for my whole pedicure phase that I'm going through. So yeah, that's my mini haul for today. My little mini haul. I'm so glad I finally have socks again. Oh my gosh, that was like a while without socks. It is on 9:30. You see when I talk a lot? Speaking of 9:30, I'm going to Greece really soon. And I'm kind of freaked out because I don't feel like I have a cute outfit to wear. And I really want to wear a cute outfit. I don't know what to wear for it.
Crashing, hit a wall.